Let's start to talk about how to integrate Swagger and Spring Boot application. First, we will have an application called Spring Boot Swagger application, and then we will have an object called customer. Next, we will have a customer controller. It has been annotated as REST controller. In this controller, we will have a method called getCustomerList. There is a required path variable. It will expose a get method. Let's integrate with Swagger now. In order to integrate with Swagger, we need to edit the POM file, as we are using the Spring Boot 3 with Java 17. What we need to do is only add a new dependency called Spring.Doc OpenAPI Starter Web QA. Here, we used the latest version, 2.02. Let's start the application to see the result. Let's access the Doc first. The default endpoint will be version 3 Docs. Next, we can access the Swagger GUI. The default endpoint will be swagger-GUI.atmo. We can see our controller endpoint has been listed out here. We can test our endpoint in the Swagger GUI. Let's input 001 and click the execute button. The expected result will be shown below in the response body box. Sometime we may need to customize the Swagger origin doc entry point. Let's go to application.properties file. There are two options provided. First is for customizing the doc, and other one is for customizing the Swagger page. Let's restart the application and access to the new entry point. We can see that for doc, the entry point has been updated. But for new Swagger endpoint, it will redirect to original URL, and the content will be remained the same as previously. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have learned how to integrate Swagger with your Spring Boot 3 application. Source code link put in the description box below. Remember, like and subscribe. Enjoy!